Cleanliness and hygiene are essential when owning an espresso machine. Not only will the machine perform more efficiently, your coffee will taste better too. Cleaning is fast, simple and rewarding, but does require some preparation. To start, remove all the baskets from your portafilters using a spare basket to unclip them, or a slim flat-bladed screwdriver would also be useful. Fill your plastic tub with enough boiling water to submerge your portafilter heads, being careful not to soak the plastic hand grip. Add 2 doses of your cleaning solution to the water and mix it. Soak both your baskets and metal section of the portafilter for a maximum of 5 minutes. Once soaked, remove the portafilters and rinse under a cold tap. Use a cloth to remove any stubborn coffee deposits. Then, clip in a cleaning blank into one of your portafilters. Ensure your machine is hot and at full temperature and you've finished making coffee for the day. Rinse the group head using the continuous flow key, which is button 5, until the water runs clear. Take 1 tablet or scoop of cleaning powder and place it inside the cleaning blank. Firmly insert the portafilter into the group head and activate the machine's semi-automatic cleaning cycle. To do this, hold down button 5 and then press button 1. This will engage the cleaning cycle on that group only. Wait until the machine asks you to remove the portafilter. Then, remove the portafilter and allow the machine to carry out the flush. Take your angled cleaning brush and scrub across and around the shower plate, paying extra attention to the channel around the perimeter. Then, reinsert the blank portafilter, this time with nothing inside, and repeat the cleaning cycle to rinse the valves. Rinse the group once more and wipe the shower plate with a microfiber cloth or paper towel. Be careful while doing this as it will be hot. Repeat this process on the other groups. Finally, replace your portafilter baskets and continue to wipe down the machine.